When did the Soviet space dog program start? Have you ever wondered how the Soviet Union took its first steps into the cosmos? The story begins in the early 1950s, a time when the world was on the brink of a space race. The Soviet space dog program officially kicked off during this period, with the first launches of dogs on suborbital flights occurring in 1951. This was a bold move, as the Soviets aimed to test the effects of space travel on living beings. On August 15, 1951, two brave dogs named Dezik and Tsygan were launched into the sky. They made history by successfully completing a suborbital flight and returning safely to Earth. This mission marked the beginning of a series of experiments that would lay the groundwork for future space exploration. The Soviets continued to send dogs on various suborbital missions over the next few years, gathering vital data to improve spacecraft design. As the 1960s approached, the competition between the United States and the Soviet Union intensified. The space race was not just about technology, it was about national pride and demonstrating superiority. The use of dogs in space missions was practical. Many of these dogs were strays from the streets of Moscow, well suited to endure harsh conditions like hunger and cold. This made them ideal candidates for the stresses of space travel. The program reached a historic milestone on November 3, 1957, when the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 2. This spacecraft carried Laika, the first dog to orbit Earth. Laika's mission was groundbreaking, showcasing the potential for human spaceflight, even though it was a one-way trip for her. Throughout the late 1950s and into the 1960s, at least 4 dozen dogs participated in various space missions. These missions included both suborbital and orbital flights, contributing essential knowledge that would eventually lead to human cosmonauts venturing into space. From a nostalgic perspective, these space dogs became cultural icons in the Soviet Union. They were celebrated in popular media and memorabilia, symbolizing the daring spirit of the era. Their stories reflected a time when the world watched in awe as animals were sent beyond the skies, exploring the unknown. The Soviet space dog program not only advanced scientific knowledge but also captured the imagination of a generation, blending ambition with the heartwarming tales of these courageous canine pioneers.